Hello Facebook friends, magandang Jensen. My name is Chevy, 35 years old, a young stroke survivor, a cyber missionary, and a member of Cygnus Youth Philippines. And currently, I am the SOCOM in charge of Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage Parish here in General Santos City. In today's Gospel, taken from the Gospel of John, chapter 14, verses 27 to 31, it contains the words of Jesus, His words of comfort and assurance to His disciples before His crucifixion. And the very message of our Gospel today is all about peace. I'm going to use the acronym PEACE for my reflection. P for preparation, E for evil forces, A for assurance, C for comfort, and E for empowered disciples. Start with the letter P, preparation. Here, Jesus prepares His disciples for the events that will soon unfold, the crucifixion, resurrection, and ascension. He wants them to be rooted in faith so that whenever these events occur, they will not be shaken or disillusioned. This also demonstrates the deep concern of Jesus Christ for our spiritual well-being and His desire for us to remain steadfast in our trust in Him. E for evil forces. As Jesus acknowledges, we are warned, or He warns us of the imminent presence of the evil forces in our world today, but He asserts His victory over them. We are reminded of our unwavering obedience to the Father's will, even in the face of temptation, opposition, and suffering. Through our deep trust and faith in Him, we will not fall to any evil force that surrounds us. A for assurance. Here, Jesus assures us that His departure is not a cause for despair but for rejoicing. His ascension to the Father is not a loss but a necessary step to the divine plan for salvation. Moreover, Jesus reminds us of the greatness of the Father, reinforcing the truth of His divine nature and the unity within the Godhead. C for comfort. Here in our Gospel, Jesus offers a profound gift, the peace. The peace that is not just any peace, but His peace. A peace that surpasses understanding. In a world filled with turmoil, anxiety, and uncertainty, Jesus promises a peace that comforts us even in the storms of our lives. This promise is rooted in the presence and promises of our Lord. E for empowered disciples. Here with His words, Jesus empowered His disciples as He concludes this discourse with them and prepares for departure with Him. As empowered Christians, we are also called for an action, inviting us to follow Him in faith and obedience. Despite the challenges and uncertainties ahead, Jesus leads our way, offering His peace and guidance to all who choose to walk with Him. And finally, in today's Gospel, we find comfort, assurance, and a call to unwavering faith in Jesus Christ. His promise of peace, assurance of return, and demonstrating of unwavering obedience to the will of the Father inspire us to trust in Him completely, even in the midst of life storms. Thank you so much, and that's my reflection for today's Gospel, and I pray that we receive the peace of Christ and share this peace to our family, our community, and our parishes and dioceses. Thank you so much, and my peace to everyone.